Hello and welcome viewers. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I'll be presenting you something interesting in connection with the long-standing relationship between Ethiopia and Cuba. I'm here at the Ethiopia Friendship Park, which is situated in the heart of Addis Ababa. This park was established in commemoration of the long and historic relationship between Ethiopia and Cuba.
And we are today in Ethiopia Friendship Monument, and I want to tell about this monument for the world. And Cuba is the only country who stood up with Ethiopia while the other world was fighting with Ziad Barre, which is a bad and shameful history. But they fight for us and die for us. So this is a big history for Ethiopia and Cuba. So the whole world should know that Cuba is a big friend of Ethiopia.
As you know, Cuba was the only world country that stood in solidarity with Ethiopia when it was invaded by the president of Somalia, Ziad Barre, in the late 1970s. When the then president of Somalia, Ziad Barre, invaded the eastern part of Ethiopia, Cuba sent some 17,000 soldiers who bravely fought along with Ethiopian soldiers against the invader army of Ziad Barre. Out of these 17,000 soldiers of Cuba, 163 had sacrificed their lives for the sovereignty of Ethiopia. This park holds the pictures of these fallen brave soldiers of Cuba just to commemorate